Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you 5 best online business ideas that you can start with no money. So whether you're a student or maybe you are a sit-at-home mom or you are someone who is looking for extra ways to make money for yourself and you don't have enough capital to start, there are good businesses that you can start without investing a single dime, and that is what we're going to talk about in this video. If this is your first time of coming onto my channel, kindly do me a favor by liking this video, subscribing and turning on your notification bell so that when I put out more videos, you are going to be the first to be notified. And if you have questions for me, drop it in the comment section. All right, I'll check them and I'll give you a reply. My name is Awajimam Sioto, and on this channel I teach you how to do stuffs online. Okay, stuffs that will help you to make money for yourself. So quickly, let's go straight into the video. Let me show you 5 best online businesses you can start without investing money. So number 1 on my list is freelance services. What is freelance services? Freelance services is just you offering your skill in exchange for money. You can offer your skills like writing, like graphic design, like web design, like video editing or virtual assistants on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork or LinkedIn. So these are places where you can offer your skills and make money for yourself. As a matter of fact, you don't need experience. You don't need much experience to start. You don't need capital to start. All you need to do is to go to these platforms, sign up and set up your gig and start earning for yourself. All right, what you need is a good portfolio, like some good works that you have done before, and internet connection and your devices. If you have all these things set, you can start earning money on any of these platforms that I've mentioned, and the possibility of you making money from this platform is very high if you know how to navigate. All right, if you want to learn more about that, go to the link in the description. I'll drop links to other resources where you can learn more about freelance services. Okay, that's my number 1. Now number 2 on my list is content creation. Content creation is about creating information, sharing information online. All right, helpful, valuable information. For instance, now this video you're watching now is an example of content creation where I share my content on YouTube, or you can share your content on TikTok, or you share your content as blogs, okay, to teach people how to do stuffs. And in response, these people will say, okay, I like what you're doing, can you show me how to do these stuffs? Can you help me do this or help me do that? Then you can charge them some amount of money for your time and for your effort. Another side of it is that the platforms that you are using will pay you when your platform becomes monetized. Okay, that's a good example of that is YouTube. Once you monetize your channel on YouTube, you can make some money from YouTube's monetization program. Okay, what you need here is your smartphone. You don't have to be perfect. You can use your smartphone, put it in front of you, start talking about something you know or a problem that you can solve, and with time, if your channel gets monetized, you can start getting paid through the monetization program. And other ways to make money is through sponsorship or through affiliate marketing or through some brand deals. Okay, that is content creation, which is my number 2. If you want to learn how to do content creation properly through any of the platforms that I've mentioned, just go to the link in the description. Check for links. I'll drop links to all other details that you need to know. That's number 2. Number 3 is affiliate marketing. This is another easy way for you to make money online. All right, the barrier of entry is not there, so it's very easy for anyone to start affiliate marketing. In case you don't know, you might be asking, what exactly is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is just you picking a product of someone, promoting it, and when there's a sale, you earn some commission. That's just the simplest definition of affiliate marketing. All right, you need to join a platform, pick a product and promote it, and once there's a sale, you get a commission. Now, a very good example of an affiliate platform where you can actually make money is StayCut. StayCut is a very good place for anyone who wants to learn and make money from affiliate marketing. I've been using this for a while now, and I've been making money on this platform. If you want to join StayCut, all you need to do is to go to staycut.com, sign up, and then pick a product that can give you a profit of 10,000 naira, all right, or 20,000 naira, and start promoting. Once you promote and you get a sale, you get your commissions straight to your bank account. All right, this is very easy. And if you want to learn exactly how you can start affiliate marketing step by step as a beginner, go to the link in the description. I'll drop links to different resources about that. Okay, that's the third one. Now the fourth one is online coaching. You can actually coach people, teach people how to do stuff, share your expertise in fitness, in finance, in business, and offer them your high ticket membership programs. You can offer them your master class, and people get to pay you for your expertise. So you can use free tools like Zoom for your sessions, or any other streaming platforms that allow you to coach and train people. This is a skill that you can start without investing a dime. And if you want to learn how this works, just check the link in the description. Like I've said, if you're getting value from this video, kindly like this video. Make sure to subscribe. Make sure to tap the notification bell so you won't miss whenever I post more videos. Okay, so let's quickly go straight to my number 5. So number 5 on my list is drop shipping. You can set up an online store and sell products without holding inventories. You can partner with suppliers through platforms like Shopify and different platforms, and you can even ask them to help you handle shipping directly to your customers. So this way you don't have to hold products down, you don't have to do anything concerning delivery. All right, this is a very good business that you can start without cash, without investing capital. If you want to learn how all of this works, all you need to do is to go to the link in the description. I'll drop some important links to more information about how you can do any of this business. If you got value from this video, kindly like this video, kindly subscribe, and make sure to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss whenever I put out new videos. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Enjoy.